hurry, but I think I have a little package right here. Okay, so. Sorry, y'all. Hey guys, it's me here, and today I got a slime plus one squishy package from somebody. I can tell, I can see the slime. Slime is called Santa's Bag of Toys. So yeah, let's open it up. I can get the first sneak peek of this. So put out one thing in the brand new Hatchimal game. I forgot to tell. This is the new Hatchimal game. This Hatchimal Collectibles game. I can't believe I actually got this. Amazing. But I guess it's an extra because I actually didn't buy it. Oh my lord, y'all. So yeah, I got. This must be my squishy cinnamon roll that is supposed to be bigger. Like it's like size of the camera, like huge. But and it has so much defects, holes in it, but it's very squishy things. And then the next thing, I just see some little slime. It's called the Peachy Baby slime. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, look at that. What is this supposed to be, y'all? Ew. It's like a Santa's hair all in it, y'all. Look at that hair. That's just gross. I hope the next slime is better. Oh my lord. Oh, it stinks like Play-Doh. Stinks like Play-Doh, real Play-Doh. Actually, I think this is Play-Doh and some kind of other slime mixed with the. This is a little medicine bottle. It has to be a 3 ounce. Oh my lord. Next, what is this? I found. Oh, this was made by Sit. She said there's only Sit in it, but she gave me extra Sit. Not a lot of extra Sit, but just a little bit of Sit. And the ho-ho. I got, oh my god, what is, oh my lord, this is a package for 9-size panties. Okay, this is not as big as I needed it, but it's, just broke. Yep, that's a broke. Okay. Ow. It broke. That hurt. Okay. Oh, this is the slime that I wanted right here, y'all. Okay. See, so this one is Charms. Oh, it does smell like peppermint. This is the best slime, y'all. Everything's on my desk. So now I'll show y'all the poking of the slime. If you want to see that. This is like the slime in focus. So yeah. Yeah, that is just how stretchy it is. Look at that. See the little charms, y'all? I think you probably want for Christmas. Camera. I see them sparkles in there. See if I got the light this hard right here. What is that, y'all? What is this? Oh lord, that's like a little bracelet or necklace for slime. So that's amazing. And y'all, if y'all can see like all of the glitter in this slime, you'd be amazing. Because it has so many glitter. So, yeah, that's amazing, y'all. So, sorry. So, very nice. So, y'all, sorry about all the blackouts. So this is, like, comment down below if you actually like this slime, y'all. So, yeah, I'll probably restock this. I like this. Because I got some ingredients for it. Thanks for watching. Comment down below. Big thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.